how to access a restricted API. So here in this code, I'm making an API call to a local server, and I expect to get this sort of data back. This is a GraphQL API, so I'm passing in a GraphQL query. If I run this code, you'll see I get an error saying that there's no auth provided in the header. I can fix that by adding an auth header underneath the content type on line 17. Now that the auth header is here, I need to add a token, because if I don't, I'll get an error from the API. To get a token, I need to log into the API with a username and password. Here, I'm logging into the same API under a /login URL with the username and password. If we console log the response that we get when we run the function, we get the auth token that we need. If we pass the auth token in as an argument in our getData function and add that to our authorization header with the string bearer in front of it, then if we run the login function, which is a promise, add the access token to our getData function, we should be able to get the data that we need. Now when I run the code, I'm presented with data instead of an error message.